I'm in Italy. Come compliment me. You're loving, baby girl, you know we need it, need it. You know you gotta leave, leave, leave. Damn, that bitch almost ran my ass over. You can never do wrong. I'm trying to leave, please just forget me. Wanna use my frontal lobe. It's been a motherfucking mission getting this shit open. Stop laughing, bro. Stop laughing. Okay. We're gonna lay that shit out. We're gonna test fit it too. She can rub my face, I don't want nothing in return. Trying to put this shit on.
Huh? Hey!
You don't know about this one, the goddamn laptop with no screen. God dang. Why are we dressing colorful today, Riz?
Me and you expressing our LGBTQ.
Oh, okay, that's your Nike tech. Alright. I was gonna press your ass, but I'm home. What kind of hat we got on? Hey, yo, that shit. That's a whole new color in the sunlight.
With that leprechaun.
That's why we not driving that shit, huh, blood? Body tight, huh? The body tight. This ain't even for the fucking video, bro. Stop fucking playing. My fucking cigarette. There's Riz over there. We crossing this shit, bro. Oh yeah, we dapper. We dapper ahead. We out here stealing cars. We in the hood for real. That shit glow in this. That shit glow in the light. That shit ain't even glow in the dark. That shit glow in the light. What you smoking on? And they were all yellow. And they were all yellow. Damn, bro, I'm not the only motherfucker that smoke here. God damn, bro. Hookerville, California. California. Someone call him a pediatrician, bro. He got the docs on. They don't know shit about this car, bro. This shit 500 made. Skin glowing. Got the routine, skin glowing. Damn, bro. They got Alvin and the Chipmunks in there. God damn, they got the whole damn squad. I fucked the shit out of that one, though. No kizzy. Stand on business. Hey. How we stand on business, Riz? How we stand on business?
What's up?
Would you fuck the female reindeer from that one Christmas movie?
What reindeer?
Oh, he likes that. The eyes.
Mini ass Christmas tree. Get your big ass in that sundress. Woo! What you doing that walk for? Fuck no. You thought I was finna you? Slow dancing.
Jesus.
What kind of necklace is that?
Pearl necklace.
Forgot to fill my damn ice cream, bro. I already ate half this shit. Oops.